play Street Fighter with Shasta.
Put it where?
I'm
On
going to
real.
play Street Fighter on Chester with Shasta.
You know on real? Work it.
Yeah.
Yeah, take on the game as well. It's on the 360. And 360.
There's supposed to be one up there, because I've got a bunch of instructors out there instructing me. So I don't know where the game is.
I don't know, I think I gave one of that PlayStation, one of those things. One downstairs. With the glass job. Using that. Every year, stupid 491 thing. 1, 2 times it's fine. But not every single year, man.
If Mum ever puts that on, I'm not watching it.
It's not mom, it's dad.
Well, I'm not watching it. But how old is it?
That's years ago, man.
It's not even funny.
It's not even funny. It's finished long time ago. Years ago it was funny. I was funny years ago. It was funny long ago. Oh,
First time around.
First time it was funny, yeah. You think number 1, number 2, that was it. But not every single year, man. Come on. Every time that plane get paid, then they come around, mainstream TV. Obviously, much more putting and all that, you won't get paid.
It might not even be him getting paid, it'll be the whoever owns the movie, he just acting, he might get a small percentage, but he's not going to get what everyone else is getting. He's not going to get the big bucks from it. He'll get something. He needs to start with it.
Yeah.
He's not going to get the big bucks from it.
Yeah.
That should be nice and hot now, ready to go in.
Sorry. You want to put it in straight away now?
It has to be in the oven at 200.
You want, what did it push them already? There's no point. Push them already yet. Push them already. No fun with it on, yeah.
How long is it going to take the vegetables to do?
Probably all up.
These need to be in there.
Probably all man. I need to unload the dishwasher and repack it up.
They need to be in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes.
Yeah, but I see what they are putting in for 18 minutes and that was enough.
Well, it depends on your oven, don't it? That's just an estimate.
Okay.
So what you want to do with this?
Put that in the fridge. And I need to unload this and repack it up. But yeah, when the vegetables are ready yet, man. Not ready at all. The problem is, yeah, uncheck that. Then if I say, you know, we'll chill out tomorrow, yeah?
I'm going to be here.
Tomorrow.
Actually, now. Tomorrow will be here.
Probably, yeah, you should have a day off on the other.
I don't know. Next time.
Then he can't sleep in those for you, which our mind is made up already. So,
Look, there's no point.
you should be on Monday. I think I should be on Monday off.
I'm not day off. Going to the gym.
And make sure you go in Tuesday.
Gym is needed.
Yeah, but so far she's coming to gym. She can't go to school. So
You can come to the gym with me.
Yeah, but I'll be time off from school.
Yes.
She's recovering from school Tuesday.
Can't she go to school? If you don't want her to be at home by herself, she can come to the gym with me.
Let's not talk about it.
If I would want her to stay at home with a mommy or